Okay, Christian, it's time we take a closer look at this 500,000 mile LS1. Oh! What's going on, JR Garage? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to part 2 of the 500,000 mile C5 Corvette. So you remember part 1, we think we scored an awesome deal on it, but we haven't even gotten it back home yet to the warehouse. So that is the objective today. Any issues are with the car, they're definitely gonna present themselves now. Yeah, this may not be a good idea. Rush hour Phoenix traffic is bumper to bumper, and here we are with the car that has 500,000 miles that we bought for, well, not very much money. I'll be behind the wheel and Christian will be following in the Tesla, which conveniently, you can't jump this car with a Tesla, and this car has a horrible battery that if it dies, or if I stall it, we will not get it back going again. True. So normally it's not the greatest idea. If it's any sort of salvage vehicle, you don't want to drive it back, but this car is a clean title and hopefully we make it back safely. Oh Lordy, fingers crossed. Like I said, probably not a good idea. Here's our dirty interior, which will be night and day difference once we get cleaning it. Maybe in this video, we'll see. We'll see when we get back to the warehouse. We'll show you more around the car. But if you haven't seen part 1, go check it out. 2,200 bucks for a running and driving C5 Corvette. I mean, you can't go wrong. Alrighty guys, no stalls. If I stall it once, we are completely screwed. We have the bent wheel up there, which does not look like it's happy. So I'm really hoping that tire doesn't just like blow out. All right, second gear. All right, it's working. That's good. Oh my gosh, we're doing this. This is crazy. Alrighty, boys and girls, we are fast approaching the warehouse. Only 5 miles away now, and the Corvette is performing better than I thought. Again, we're not there yet, so I'm not going to count my chickens before they're hatched. But so far, so good. I was anticipating something to go wrong, right? Something always has to go wrong, especially when you're talking about a car with this many miles. Okay, little acceleration. Don't want to break anything. This could be a big home run. We'll get it back to the warehouse. We'll check it out. We'll give you more of a walk around. We'll dig into it a little bit, see what's up, and see what we have on our hands. All right, one last little pull. Woo-hoo-hoo. On the brakes, on the brakes, on the brakes. Okay, brakes work all right. That's good, that's good. She made it. All right, little reverse. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, we don't have reverse? Oh, shoot. Aw, man. Hold on. Is there a button or something I have to press? Yeah, you're in reverse, because your reverse lights come on. Okay. Yeah. Huh? I have to like shove it in reverse. Ah, just, like, okay. Right, you have to hold it all the way in. So look, reverse. Right. Oh, okay. All right, so you just gotta hold it all the way in reverse. Like force it. Oh boy. It still makes a noise. A little something. Ah, weird. Oh no, and the headlights don't pop up either? They're on in there. Oh man. Darn it. Add that to the list of things that don't work. Oh boy. All right, get her parked. Alrighty, moving out some cars to make room for this beautiful Corvette. All right, with that out of the way. Ooh, that sounds good. We're gonna put the Corvette right there next to the Ferrari. All right, we'll pop the hood when we get back in. Yeah, something smells like smoke and fireworks. This is not good. Inside and shut her down. Maybe that acceleration wasn't a good idea. I don't know. But it was pretty quick though. Not gonna. Okay, come on. There's first. You're home, baby. Let's go. Let's not hit the Ferraris. Little bit of black smoke out the tailpipe. Okay, a lot bit. That's the fireworks smoke we were smoking. Something like that. But I'm sure you guys wanted to hear it, right? We got to make it louder too, straight pipe it. So that's going to be coming soon as well. Yeah, that was definitely where that smoke smell is coming from. What do you guys think? 50 C5 Corvettes or one McLaren? I don't know. Which would you take? All right, the people want to know, are these real HRE wheels?
I want to know too.
All right, let's, who says we can't jack it up real quick and remove one of them? Let's take off this one since we got a little room to work. Are these genuine HRE wheels? We'll know once we check out the stamps on the back. Okay, so in review, getting here.
Yeah.
Oh man.
How was it? It looked good from the road though.
Looked good from the road?
I loved it from the front, from the back.
It
looks good.
We will say, this car has aged very well. You're talking 1997. This car is 22 years old, wow. Yet it still looks really, really good. It's a good look, especially from the rear. That's my favorite look, is from the rear. Check this out. It's a good looking car, 22 years old, 2,200 bucks. You kidding me? Like, you can't go wrong. So I finally figured out what design they are. If they are real, I believe they are HRE 540s. So here's a used set for 3,500 bucks for a BMW. Scroll down a little more, here's one for 2,700. And then brand new, I was seeing that they're almost like 2,000 bucks a wheel, which is insane. Obviously we're far from brand new. Yeah, here they are. Yeah, here they are for a Supra, 6,900 bucks. I don't know, if these things are real, they're probably worth, if they were in slightly better shape, the price of the whole car. Just when I thought that was it with this car, I remembered how this car has a transparent glass removable roof that sits in the back. Normally it's body color, this piece right here, but instead it's, obviously it looks black, but it's completely see-through when you look up. So I looked it up on eBay. Here's one, 780 bucks, 899 bucks. Here's a used one, 1075. So if this is genuine OEM, it could be worth like $1,000. Bro, are you kidding me? This car just keeps getting better and better and better. Yes. Victory. Oh man, come on, come on. Come on, baby. These are HREs, that's a free $1,000 bucks. Come on. Uh-oh, I'm not seeing too many stamps, so. All right guys, where are you come in handy in the comment section down below? Are these real HREs or not? Obviously they're not stamped, so we don't know, but if you know HRE wheels, do they stamp these two-piece wheels? The mystery continues. Are they real? Are they fake? By the way guys, this is absolutely beauty to my eyes. I cannot wait to clean this engine bay. It's gonna be night and day difference. Whether that's later in this video or if we save it for a entire cleaning, vacuuming, deep cleaning, detox from this disgustingness. But anyway, okay. Hey, there we go. All right, the hatch of the C5. We haven't seen back here yet.
What are these like?
Okay.
Oh,
all right.
Better than the Viper.
It's very dirty once again. So many stains. I'll get tackling those in the detail video.
Cubby hole?
Cubby hole, I assume that's a cubby hole. Spare tire, maybe? No. Okay, we got a CD changer. Wait a second. This is not, whoa. Oh, what in the heck? B&B. Wait, this is the exhaust.
Performance?
What is this? Is it a valve?
Oh, this is supposed to go over here.
Yeah, this goes over that. What's it for? So, valve? I didn't think this was valved, but wait a second, hold up.
Yeah, I think it
is this valve? Yeah, I mean, well.
Yeah, I think it is. There's two vacuum lines going through it up here.
There's two vacuum lines?
Yeah.
All right, so we have a valve system, I guess. That's dope. So now we can bypass the mufflers if we want, if we can figure out how to work the valve. I definitely don't.
Is there like a fob that's long gone?
No. This engine bay, mark my words.
I can see it too.
Will look brand new, despite having 500,000 miles on it. As you guys notice, this water pump is fairly new looking. We noticed that in part one. Holy Christian. What? Look at those valve covers.
New?
No. those are the most disgusting.
Oh, that is caked on there.
Yeah, entire heads.
Oh, those are 500,000 mile heads for you.
That means that these heads have never been off of here, and crap, this engine might need
Oh my goodness.
might need some work.
That's like caked on there. Oh, I wish I didn't see that. That's gonna make my life a lot harder cleaning this engine. Yeah, that's what you get with 500,000 miles. Gunk builds up, man. All right, before you wipe it down, let's take off that beauty cover. It just snaps on. So if we, that'll give us a little more access. The amount of oil changes this car has had. Wow. Oh, no.
Oh, dang.
No, that is so bad.
Jeez. And I mean, I think that's just like road grime, but
The valve covers, the heads, the everything on this car.
Yeah, photo.
Wasn't expecting it to be this
I
bad.
guess that's 500,000 miles of just road grime, but I hope it's not a leak or
Holy
something.
crap. All right. No, that looks so bad. This looks like a barn find. All right, hold up. Here you go. All right, go ahead. That's if you can even wipe it off.
Hot.
Can you even wipe it off? Oh, this poor engine.
Oh, it'll clean up.
Okay, it will clean up. Like, you guys can start to see the silver showing through with a lot of effort. Oh, my life just got 10 times harder. Let's trade again. I'll do the interior if you clean the engine. I don't want to clean the engine anymore. This is the dirtiest engine bay I've ever seen. This is the dirtiest interior I've ever seen. This is some of the dirtiest wheels I've ever seen. We're gonna have our...
deserve its own video.
Yeah, we're gonna have our work cut out for us with part 3. It made it home 50 miles.
Yeah.
That's good. I mean, that's a good sign. Obviously, there's nothing seriously wrong. Obviously, some things need to be addressed. But
I think just a lot of things right. This top, those wheels, a valved exhaust.
Yeah.
We made our money back, and we haven't even valued the engine yet.
a running LS1, I don't care how many miles it has, it's worth $2 grand at a minimum. So $2 grand there, plus the exhaust. Obviously, it's not new, but when it was new, it was at least 1,200 bucks. Plus these wheels, which could be genuine HREs, probably worth up to $1,500, especially once they're clean and maybe repaired. That is well above the $2,200. Oh yeah, this roof, which if it's real, apparently it's worth like 800 to 1,000 bucks. Like, we paid 2,200 bucks for this car. Once again, if you look up Copart auctions hard enough and you browse through hundreds of cars, you will find the hidden gems, and we think this is definitely a hidden gem. So as always, guys, our link is down below for you to make a free Copart account and get browsing cars yourself. Whether you want to buy them, whether you want us to buy them, feel free to send us links. We'd be happy to look at what you think would be a fun rebuild.
There's too many for us to see them all on our own. We try, we scoop up all the good ones we can, and we need your help.
Right, it's impossible. They got 200,000, almost 200,000 cars live. It's impossible to go through them all. So with your guys' help, we can definitely find more projects down the road. But this one will definitely be occupied enough with this one and the S600 and all the other things we got going on. Ferrari, McLaren, Aston Martin, broken as usual. Hope you're excited for part 3. Thorough cleaning. This thing will look unrecognizable.
I think so. No, it's totally got it underneath it.
Okay, yeah, I mean, there's life. There's life. The paint's there. It wants to be brought back to life. And we're gonna bring it back to life. Hopefully we can be modifying this engine. That would be nice. We didn't even mention it yet. Ellis, remember Ellis? The well-loved Ellis on the channel? That had an LS1. We're very familiar with this. Christian has spent many cold nights.
Yeah, we've torn one down and done a top-end rebuild, and they're really great engines.
LS6 intake manifold, air intake,
Straight pipe.
straight pipes, and 243 LS6 heads, 400 wheel horsepower. Done, like done, easy. Oh, and a cam. Like a little moderate cam. 400 wheel, 400 torque. That's what we had with Ellis. Reliable, simple power. So comment down below if we should do that. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you're enjoying this series. Comment down below what you think, and we will see you guys in the next one. Take care.
That it feels right.